What is this? What?
Yes.
What is this the thing?
Want to see the chicken launcher?
Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Should this?
No one should be here.
Okay.
Move back.
Oh, I'm scared. What is this?
1 round.
Show inside. Too funny. Oh, chicken again.
Launching.
No, not behind it.
Okay.
Loading 1 round.
1 round. Get ready immediately.
From the prepared shooter. 3, 2, 1.
Wasting chicken?
It fell. Oh man. Eat chicken.
Get it.
What?
Chance? How long must we watch this?
I really can't watch anymore.
Exactly, this is...
As an animal lover, I can't accept this. Hey!
What? Did you two plan this?
But what have you done so far?
Until now. I haven't done anything, so from now on...
I'll give you a chance. Thrilling.
I'll start now. I will.
I said I would.
So embarrassing. Isabel. And the chicken is being pulled in here. Once it gets sucked in, it can't come back out.
Oh, so the chicken gets pulled in there.
Yes, onto the conveyor belt. Like in a chicken factory. The chicken is lying down like this. Heart attack. We're designing a controller so people can actually perform CPR with it. And if the visitors can't save the chicken, it gets pulled in completely and then it becomes a ghost, like Chicken Casper, saying goodbye.
And I had this thought, when we do CPR, it'd be nice if the chicken's expression changed with each CPR press.
Its body could swell.
Yes, the body could swell, or the eyes could enlarge creepy. How to draw.
Depends on the drawing.
Every time there's some input, the chicken reacts and takes some action. It could fly up, or just die in the factory and become a ghost like,
I
Oh, why?
made a chicken shape.
Wow, is this the frame? Like a skeleton. How'd you do the factory? Factory 2.
Almost similarly.
Wow. Turned out like this?
So the Geekball logo spins beautifully. Right, min back.
Wow.
Assuming you'll provide the modeling file. I've done some work based on just a box. Chicken, this. Once Chance give the modeling file, I'll apply it to the chicken. This box will now acts as chicken. Box is conveyor. Assuming there's a factory here. First it drops and moves. When in factory, gets sucked.
Wow. Jump. Minbeck, did that box turn into this?
Yes. I've done some work. Let me show you. This. Turn it on. Chicken appears
Wow, that chicken.
near factory. Goes up and becomes a ghost. This sends it.
Don't go.
Press a key, it reacts like a heartbeat.
Oh, can it go fast? Da-da-da.
No, not fast. There's a certain cycle. When it survives, it will fly away swiftly. We'll give it some motion.
Wow, chicken.
Yes, for now. It's just a min prototype. We're just making it disappear.
Nah.
Is this all?
Minbeck, hurry up with the electronics work.
This is Arduino Micro. We often use Arduino Nano and then Bluetooth.
Is it?
Button heart rate device.
That Mr. Chan and Mr. Jake.
CPR device.
Basically, these two devices communicate with each other.
Eh,
So it's called Master Slave. And here, Mr. Jungsu and Mr. Jake made this system. It's a push button. Press this button. The input value here, via Bluetooth to this one.
then.
When it receives the transmitted value, it processes and acts accordingly. It's a unique one called Arduino Micro.
Arduino Micro.
So what this micro does is it makes the keyboard and mouse move. It plays such a role. You can use it like a keyboard or like a mouse.
Yeah.
So when it receives input, to explain again, when it receives input, it sends a message via Bluetooth. When received, sends a command telling it what to do.
Then
That's the kind of relationship it has. We can take this right now. Connect to the game.
oh, test right away.
Let's try it.
Test it now.
I'll connect this. It usually blinks.
Does that mean it's connected?
Not connected yet. When it's blinking and you connect it, the blinking stops. Both of them. And stop.
It's steady.
It's connected. Now let's test it. Normally, we press directly on the keyboard when playing.
Right? Like earlier.
Pressed earlier, but bring this device and press.
Wait. Press harder. Let's go.
And bit harder.
Like doing CPR.
As it comes. Hey! Mic break. Ooh,
Oh, the chicken survived again. That's amazing.
it's too easy to press now.
It's all collapsing chaos.
Too easy now. Just 6 presses.
Oh,
Maybe 15 times or 10 times.
still seconds.
Fast as possible. Press it.
I'll show you different felt types. Let's try making
Looks
it with
really
metal.
soft, doesn't it?
Touching this part more hygienic for touching. Making several covers and distribute them to the managers. Click.
Chance, we're ready. Let's call them.
We have a Save the Chicken premiere.
Hungry, let's go.
Yeah? That's too brutal. No, don't die.
There's some detail here. As it approaches, this part turns. At 3 seconds, it turns.
Chicken launcher. Haven't we used chicken just as a tool? Too underestimated.
Because you're using it as a tool right now.
Thinking of chicken only as food.
Chicken's a tool.
It's food.
Yes, her.
Oh, it looks delicious.
Don't die? What's the title?
Save the Chicken. It's Save the Chicken and Min Beck handled all the electronics.
Yes. When you press it, it presses.
Quickly, please.
Do it 100 times a minute. 10 seconds. If it's 15 times in 10 seconds, it's roughly similar.
Heartful chicken flies.
Yes, that's correct.
Go.
Don't die. Chicken, hang in there.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Just keep pressing.
Oh, you're right.
What is this? Change coding. I need to revise the program code. I didn't realize.
Doing?
Yes to install.
Let's go.
No.
Let's go.
Thank you.
I'll carry it alone for now, just by myself.
Let's go.
Phew.
Don't tire, Chance.
Oh no! To dress our Jeek chicken warmly and to avoid catching a cold in spring,
Yes.
4 scarves in various colors for daily moods.
Wow.
And since clothes can get dirty, an extra set is crucial for hygiene.
I'll transfer the program and set up the game here. Chicken max 16.
By how much?
Chance suggests reducing it by just 1.
If too easy, the game won't be fun. What is life's value?
It's precious.
What are you saying?
It will work.
Unusual aura. Create a team. Show us saving 1 chicken. Show us.
No!